Hi folks, this is Ben Nguyen from Healthy Kitchen 101, and today we are doing a side-by-side comparison with the InSinkErator Evolution XL 1 horsepower and the InSinkErator Evolution Compact 3/4 horsepower to try and figure out if these garbage disposals are worth buying at all. So if you have ever wondered which one between these two is the better one or how they are different, this is definitely for you. We'll be using the results and data that we have collected from doing the scrap mix test, where the disposals will take no longer than 4 minutes to process 11 types of foods that weigh roughly 90 ounces in total. To assess a performance in the test, we focus on how quickly the disposal finishes the task and how finely the output materials are processed. The equipment that we use includes a stopwatch, a sound level meter, a scale, and finally one colander with small holes and another one with larger holes. Let's get to it. The Evolution XL and the Evolution Compact are two products from InSinkErator Evolution Garbage Disposal series, and they pack impressive specifications. These are two of the quietest garbage disposals we have ever tested, and they utilize strong materials and thick grinding components. As a result, the Evolution series grinds much better than the typical disposals on the market. Specifically in the scrap mix test, both the XL and the Compact were highly effective against large amounts of kitchen scraps. This is indicated by how fast they reduce the input load down to a small enough amount to qualify for the scoring process, which they both overqualified. And if you take a look at layer 1, which is the amount of larger shreds in the output, and layer 2, which is the amount of smaller shreds, you see that the XL produces much lower amounts than the Compact. Simply put, this tells us that the XL is less likely to produce large shreds, therefore less likely to clog your pipes. Just to be clear, this is not to say that the Compact will clog yours. So with all that said, the InSinkErator Evolution Compact 3/4 horsepower is still a great, less expensive choice. For around $200, it offers strong grinding performance, impressive noise reduction, and solid build quality, but it has less usability in comparison. But if you have around $400 just lying around and you like your peace of mind, definitely go for something high tier like the InSinkErator Evolution XL 1 horsepower and all of its premium features. We hope this is helpful, and thanks for watching.